Hey everyone, welcome to Valor's channel. Today, I'll show you the best alternative to IDM. It's new and it's called AB Download Manager, the best download manager for Windows. Let's search for AB Download Manager on Google. Click the first link and download the app. I also recommend getting the Chrome extension, it's super handy. You're on Windows, right? Download the X file and install the Chrome extension. Right? Open the X file to install the download manager. Click Install. Wait for it to install. Meanwhile, our extension is already set up. See? Now it'll connect to our program. It's downloading now. After installation, we launch it and voila! We have our download manager. We can now, there, it's connected. Now we can go to, say, Windows 11. Click Download. And here's our manager for downloading and working. We can also copy the link. Download Manager. Yes, open it, click New Download, paste the link and download. There. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe to the channel. This was Velor. Bye everyone.